To create a Zelle account in Ghana, you need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a U.S. bank account or a bank account with a participating Zelle partner in the U.S., as Zelle is only available in the United States. Next, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Get Started, then select the option that says Don't have a Zelle account yet. You will be asked to enter your phone number or email address to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code sent to your phone or email and set up your profile by providing the required information such as your name and address. Link your U.S. bank account or debit card to Zelle by selecting your bank from the list of participating banks or by entering your debit card information. Verify your account by responding to the verification email sent by Zelle. Once your account is verified, you can start sending and receiving money using Zelle. It is essential to note that as a Ghanaian you will need to have a trusted friend or family member in the U.S. with a Zelle account to receive money on your behalf, since Zelle is not directly available in Ghana. To protect yourself from scams and fraud, always ensure you are sending money to the correct recipient and never share your Zelle login credentials with anyone.